how to log someone out of your Instagram account. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and then go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then at the top right corner of your screen, click the three horizontal lines and then go to Settings and Privacy. And then select Account Center and choose Password and Security. In this page, click where you're logged in. And then here you'll find all the accounts that are associated with your Meta Account Center. So for this video, I'm gonna choose my Instagram account. And then you'll see all the devices in which your Instagram account is currently logged in. So if you want to log a device out, click Select Devices to log out and then check the circle button beside the device where you want your account to be logged out. So after that, click Log Out and then you will be prompted if you're sure that you want to log out of that account and just confirm.